Good morning students, this is preparatory English class. How are you? Yes, Mriganko, good morning. Trayambak, good morning. Nibita, good morning. Shanchan, good morning. Brintika, good morning. Those who are present, write P on your chat box. And I hope by the grace of God, all of you are fine and safe. Okay, today is Monday, first day of the week. Today is Monday and tomorrow Saraswati Puja will be held. Right? And enjoy your Saraswati Puja, all of you. Now, take out your English notebook. Take out your English notebook and write down CW date. Today is 15th February 2021, February month. Okay. Today we will practice this from page number 55 from your book, English Pathway book. Open your English Pathway book, page number 55. Open at page number 55. Okay. Look at the picture at first. This is Raj. This is Raj. He is a boy. Raj is not a tall boy. He has a dog. Okay, look at the picture carefully. This is Raj. Okay. He is a boy. He. Today we will learn a new word, that is he. Here he is Raj. Okay, this is Raj. He is a boy or girl? He is a boy. He is not a tall boy. We have learned the word tall in our opposite word class, right? He has a dog. He has a dog. We use he in place of boy. In place of boy. In place of father, grandfather. Okay, we use he. H-E, he. Okay. Now, take out your notebook. Today we will do an activity based on this picture reading. Based on this picture reading, we will do an activity, that is fill in the blanks. Fill in the blanks. Picture reading. Describe the picture. Okay, and activity name is fill in the blanks. First question, write down number 1. This is Raj. This is Raj. Options are this, THIS, this or that. Yes, very good. Write down on your notebook. Brintika, now you see me? You can see me now. If you can see me, write yes on your chat box. So, all of you have given the correct answer. Asma, Nivedita, Mriganko, very good. Devans, Shanchan, very good. Okay. Shrestha is typing Devans, very good. This is Raj. We use this to indicate a nearby thing, and we use that to indicate a far away thing, right? If I give an arrow here, in that case we use that, but arrow is not here. So today, so this answer will be this. This is Raj. This is Raj. Write down, this is Raj. Next, number 2, question number 2. This is a boy. Okay, and options are he or she. He or she. This is a boy, B-O-Y, boy, and options are he or she. Very good. Devans, Sanchayan, Asma. Yes, Nivedita, very good. We use he to indicate a male person, to indicate boy, father. Okay. Yes, Brintika, Shrestha, he is a boy. Very good, Molla. Next question. Question number 3. Number 3. Raj is not a tall dash boy or girl. B-O-Y, boy, and girl, G-I-R-L, boy or girl. Which option is correct here? Raj is not a tall boy or girl. Raj, yes, very good. Very good. Raj is a boy. Asma, very good. Raj is not a tall boy. Yes. Shanchan, Brintika, Devans, Nivedita, all are correct. Boy. B-O-Y. Next, number 4. Look at your picture. There is a animal. Pet animal of Raj. So, he has a, look at the picture of your book and write the answer. He has a dash cat, C-A-T, cat, or D-O-G, dog. He has a cat or dog. Yes, Molla. This is the answer of question number 3. He is not a tall boy. Mriganko, you can't see me. Wait. Now you can see me. If you can't see me till now, just switch off your front camera. Very good, Devans. Nivedita, very good. Very good, Devans. Molla, very good. He has a dog. D-O-G, dog. Okay. Full stop. Now tell me the opposite word of tall. Okay, Devans, very good. Write down the opposite word of tall on your chat box. Opposite word of tall on your chat box. Opposite word of tall you have learned in your previous class. Opposite word of tall is, yes, short. Okay. Now look at the picture. In this picture, Raj has a bone in his hand, right? Bone, And in our previous class we have learned that dog loves bone. A dog loves bone. Okay. Now, if you have completed your writing, then take a short snap. Take a snapshot and upload it. This is Raj. He is a boy. Raj is not a tall boy. He has a. Write the answer. Devans. He has a dog. Tick on dog. Devans. Very good. Otherwise all answers are correct. Give a tick on dog. He has a dog. Next. Trayambak. Very good. Very good, Trayambak. Nivedita. Very good. Very good, Nivedita. Very good, Sanchayan. Shrestha. Very good. Very good. Molla Ihan Safi. Very good. Molla Ihan Safi. R-A-J, Raj. This is Raj. R-A-J, not G. Erase G. R-A-J. J. Erase G. He is a boy. And in the next sentence, that is third sentence, Raj, R-A-J, not T. R-A-J. Raj is not a tall boy. He has a dog. Okay. And Molla Ihan Safi, practice handwriting. Ashma, very good, Ashma. Very good. Brintika, very good. Very good, Brintika. Devans, very good. Very good, Devans. Dog likes bone. Very good. And give a full stop at the end of the last sentence. Mriganko, your picture is hazy, not clear. Okay, I can read only from he is a boy. Raj is not a tall boy. He has a dog. Okay, Mriganko, very good. Okay. Your English class is up to this. Bye bye student and have a good day. All of you. Bye bye. Bye bye.